Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Kaba Ilco number O, as in Oscar, 1122AR. This is a nickel-plated key blank. This is a bag of 10. When you buy 10, they'll come in a package like this. And this key blank is used in some interesting applications. And there is a link below this video to a document called Product Catalog. And as we scroll through that, we can see that this key blank in particular is does show up in the Kaba Ilco guide under Section 1, which is Automotive, under as a miscellaneous switch. Also in Section 1 Automotive under Studebaker. I'm not sure what it would work in a Studebaker. Also under Hudson, under Section 2, which would be a typical door cylinder, some type of cylinder application. Section 2 as well under Yale. So there's some Yale lock that works this. I'm thinking cabinet hardware, small disc locks. Probably where this is going to come into play. Y14 is also on the head of that as well. That's going to be an easy number for that Yale key blank. So the product catalog is there showing the 4 primary instances where this key blank occurs in the catalog. But the part number itself, O1122Ar, shows up multiple additional times. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Kaba Ilco products that we sell, but there's a link to the Kaba Ilco key blank catalog. And if you were to pull that up and then search Control F O1122AR, you're going to find initially the reference to the pages where it occurs, those 4 pages. You're going to then find those 4 pages, but then you're going to get into equivalent cross part numbers. So if you wanted to know what this key blank was by Alba, it would be a Y10. If you wanted to know what it was by Cole, key blank manufacturer once upon a time, it'd be a Y14. Same with Curtis, another key blank manufacturer. Dominion, it was a U122AR. ESP conversion is there. They also use Y14. Jet, a key manufacturer who is alive and well, uses Y14. Orion might be European in origin. Don't quote me on that. Also, Star key blanks, that'd be a YJ2. And then Taylor, it'd be an R07NX. So the bottom line is that key blank catalog, depending on almost any third-party key blank manufacturer you're working with, you can search that in order to find. You could go from Curtis to Taylor to Alba to get to Kaba Ilco. You see my point. You can see where those part numbers all come into play. So it's a very helpful document when you're dealing with key blanks other than Kaba Ilco, because the point is to be able to get from that key blank, let's say, to Kaba Ilco, if that's the point. But and if it's not the point, the key blank catalog is helpful because it will give you additional information about exactly what it is. And I find the key blank catalog all but irreplaceable, because while they don't, Kaba Ilco that is, they don't make every key blank that ever existed. They do make lots, and I can tell you that I can usually use that key blank catalog to eliminate what I know it's not by looking at the broaching or the cross section of what the key blank is. And when you look in the catalog, it's not looking at the tip of the key, it's as if you're looking down into the cylinder itself. So when you look at the tip of the key in this orientation, you do need to, in your mind's eye, flip that over, because what you're looking at is when you insert the key blank into the cylinder. A blade height, I'll give you that. 0.25 on the nose. A dimension from the tip of the key blank to the shoulder stop. appears to be 0.663. 0.663 from the shoulder down here to the very tip. 0.663. Okay. Very nice quality key blank, being Kaba Ilco. No doubt. You can buy them in any quantity. 10 would be the way to go. It will generally produce less lead time when we have to, or multiples of 10, I should say, compared to having to pull, to get a bag of 10 ship a partial to you. So stick in multiples of 10 when you can. That link below this video as well will give you not only, again, all of the Kaba Ilco products that we sell, a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to that full key blank catalog, indispensable, and also other catalogs from Kaba Ilco, such as their brass cylinder catalog, such as their storefront catalogs, storefront hardware catalog, which might be the same document now. Also, key machine equipment from Kaba Ilco, engraving equipment. Kaba Ilco, they produce a comprehensive offering of cylinder-related hardware and tools to support the locksmiths that purchase their equipment. Any questions on the Kaba Ilco O1122Ar key blank or any other Kaba Ilco product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.